We landed over to this fascinatingly beautiful place called Nagsasa Cove. That's a beautiful place, almost similar to Anawangin, but it's a fucking beautiful scenery right here. White fucking sand. Alright, so nandun kami sa pinakadulo doon. So by the way, that's the mountain that we climbed earlier this morning. Because there's a trekking here. That's part of the package. Let me show you home. That's it. That's the mountain right there. So it would take approximately 30 minutes to climb it up. It's not really that high. So pwede to sa mga bata. Kahit mga bata rin pwede. The trail is pretty safe. Hindi siya mabangin. So and here I am, yours truly, as always. Till next